In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to custom sort in Google Sheets. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Click the Google Apps grid in the top right, then open Sheets. From there, choose the spreadsheet you want to work on. If you have multiple files, pick the one that contains the table you plan to sort. Before sorting, highlight the exact table you want to organize. Click and drag to select the range, including the header row if you have one. This is important. Selecting only the range ensures that any unrelated data on the sheet doesn't get moved around. Avoid including blank rows or totals at the bottom. Those can throw off the order or land in the wrong place. If your table has merged cells, unmerge them first so the sort can run cleanly. With your range highlighted, go to the top menu and click Data, then choose Sort Range. Next, select Advanced Range Sorting options to open the full sorting dialog. This is where you can build a custom sort that fits your data, rather than just doing a quick alphabetical sort on a single column. In the dialog, check the box that says Data has header row if your first row contains column titles like name, date, or status. That makes it easier to choose columns by their names instead of letters. Now pick your primary sort column and choose whether you want A to Z for ascending or Z to A for descending. Ascending puts A before Z, earliest dates before later ones, and smallest numbers before largest. If you need a tiebreaker, click Add another sort column and set a second level, and even a third if needed. Sort levels run from top to bottom, so make sure the most important rule is first. A few quick tips while you're here. Keep dates in a consistent format so they sort correctly. Numbers stored as text won't sort numerically, so convert them if needed. And be mindful of leading spaces in text, which can change the order unexpectedly. Once everything looks right, click Sort. Your selected rows will rearrange immediately based on the rules you chose, while keeping each row's data together. If something doesn't look right, you can always use Undo to revert and try again. Google Sheets saves changes automatically, so you're covered. That's it, your custom sort is applied. By selecting the right range, using advanced range sorting options, and adding multiple levels where needed, you can organize any table clearly and consistently. Thanks for watching, and happy sorting!